Hi kids, hope you're all well, staying safe and staying in the house. Today I am making some gloop. You made gloop before? Well, what do you need for gloop is you need an old tray, some corn flour, which I have it in my tray. Oh, dimmed up, and we add some water. You don't need a lot, just add some bit by bit and mix it in. So it's usually about 2 cups of corn flour, a cup of water. We'll mix that in. See how it goes. Didn't want to do that. Maybe I need more water. And this texture, it goes hard and it goes liquid form once it's all mixed in. And you can have so much fun with it. As when you touch it, it's solid, and then you let it go and it goes liquid again. Oh, I think I need more water. More water. We don't want too much water into it, and then it's too watery, and then it doesn't congeal together. And I've never made this before. Have you ever made it? It's quite a job on itself. So once we get it all together, then we can play with it, I think. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. And once it's all together, and we could add some food colour to it. It's good for sensory needs as well. I think it's hard and soft and solid and liquid. Let's try and get it all out of the corners. Hey. So when you hold it in your hand, it can be hard. And just as well I'm wearing an old t-shirt, honestly. It's really a weird texture. Really strange. Yeah. Really absolutely amazing that you get it in your hand and it just turns to liquid. I'll put some food colouring in it. I use red. This is really, I've never made this before. I'm sure you will have a lot of fun with it. Pretty sure you will. It's really amazing. So you hold it, it's hard. Squishy. That's the colour in it, food colour in it, I'm not. Wow. Do you think you could make that and send a video in? I don't know what to think of this stuff. I'll have a wee look at it. I have a wee gander in there. So it's hard and then it goes all water in your hand. You can have so much fun with this. Do you think you could try that in the house for 20 points? I think I'll just sit here for the rest of the day and play with this gloop. So just have fun. Bye for now. Bye.